bad. I felt just like the queen of the world when I was with my dad. Then one rainy April night, Daddy called me to his side, held me with his trembling hand right before he died. He said, keep on singing, don't stop singing, you're gonna be a star someday. You're gonna make a lot of people happy when they come to hear you play. He said, keep on singing, keep the bells a ringing, spread your music from town to town. There's not enough love in this old world, so spread your songs around. Keep on singing, don't stop singing, you're gonna be